We're using BioPack cups, like the ones that we can give away our coffee in. And we also have keep cups that we have just got in as well. And we use jars to put all of our bulk foods in, because we do a range of bulk foods that people can bring their own containers in as well.
And how do you feel about the fact that we're producing less waste, protecting the environment? I mean, you live in such a beautiful location, it must be a real positive.
Yeah, it's super important, especially being on this ocean. So we use all paper or like cane or cardboard, that kind of stuff. No plastics, which is really cool. Or bamboo as well, we use that, which is cool.
And how have you found that as an organisation, as a business? Has it been a hard transition or just nice and seamless?
It's been a little bit challenging, more trying to source it in the beginning, but now I think a lot of suppliers are getting a lot more variety, so we can get a lot more as well, which is cool.